Hi, today we are going to see perspective. I'm starting with 1 point perspective. I'm drawing the straight line that's called horizontal line, and the dot is called the vanishing point. Say if you're standing in the middle of the street, and at some point and at the far away, the object will won't be clear, it will disappear. That's why it's called vanishing point. And I'm choosing square. I'm drawing the square at the horizontal line at the eye level, okay? And in perspective, the most important thing is the object that you see very near will be bigger, and when go far away it will be small, okay? So I'm connecting all the corners of the square to that vanishing point. So this square is bigger. If I want to draw another square on the same plane, I will choose the same line, okay, and draw parallel to it. Now, the square I am drawing at the back will look smaller because from my eye level, the square is at the far distance, so it's looking smaller. And look, I am drawing on the same plane where I connected my first squares, okay? So the shape, the square now turned into a cube. I'm doing on with the sketch so that you will have a clear idea, okay? So it turns into a cube, and it's at the eye level, okay? I'm placing my object at the eye level, so I couldn't able to see the top and the bottom. I can see only the front and the side face of the box. Okay, imagine this is the box. I'm drawing another square below the horizontal line, that is below my eye level, and here also I am joining all my corners to the dot, okay, to the vanishing point. You can also check by taking any cube shaped object and place at the eye level, below your eye level and above your eye level, okay, and check which face of the cube you can see whether you can see the top or the bottom or the sides, okay. And also when I'm drawing this small square, I'm doing like on the same plane, okay, I'm joining on the same plane to get my smallest square. So it's below my eye level, so I can see the front, top part of this cube and also the side. So I'm doing the same above the horizontal line that's above my eye level. So here also when I'm drawing the small square at the back, I'm only drawing on the same plane. Perspective is very important for drawing. We see perspective in our daily life, but we forget to notice it, okay. Perspective is like converting or changing a line into giving a line a three dimension, okay. mm, or any converting a subject, any subject to a 3D form, giving dimension to a subject, okay, that is what perspective is. And also perspective changes according how you see it, from which angle you see it, okay. Suppose let's say if you are standing on top of the 50th floor of the building and you are seeing a person down, the person will look small. It's not because the person is small, uh, it's because you're seeing from a different angle, you're seeing from the top. Okay. So that is what perspective is. Perspective changes how you see it, and in where you stand and see it. Okay. um, and also perspective is everywhere in landscape or animal anatomy, or if you want to draw still life, perspective is everywhere. We need to observe, observe, observe. Okay, observation, it's very important. So here I have converted this cube into cardboard boxes. If the box is placed at the eye level, front and the side will be seen. If it's below the eye level, the opening of the box and the front and the side will be seen. If it's above the bottom, the front and the side will be seen. Okay. So you can also check with your objects if you have anything. And that's it. You can try this, share your thoughts. Thank you.